Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
When next year we will better place.
Okay, good morning. My name is John Shea. I'm the organizer for this art shows. We have been here for 12 years and really appreciate that you can spend your weekend with us. And as you can see, all the artists have tried so hard, and every year they improve a lot for their artwork. And as a tradition, I really like to introduce our 6 artists. Mr. Wang will be here in any minute, okay? She will be here. But we like to have them to describe how they accomplished in the year and what kind of work they have. So we like to start with Monica.
I'm one of the founders of association since the 2002, that year. And now this group grew up very quickly, and we have photographer, watercolor artists, so many better things in this group. Just welcome everybody come here.
Monica had finished her 100 piece of the Taiwanese traditional arts culture, and then go to the national park, U.S. National Park, and now he spend most of the time traveling around the world. So you can see her painting is reflecting a lot of the European or South America's artwork. Next one, we like to have our youngest artist, Helen.
Thank you for coming to join us today. And I left Taiwan for some years, almost 50 years, and sometimes kind of homesick. But I tried to establish our Taiwanese art in the Bay Area, and I taught in the Bay Area quite a lot. So, but sometimes getting old, that's problem. But I try to keep on much I can to do in teaching students. I like teaching students who go to college and high school and middle school, and I enjoyed it. Spread out our Taiwanese culture. Thank you.
I introduced you last year. Helen was 38 years older, but this year she increased a lot. Now she's 48 this year. still, she's the youngest. So, catch her age. Even though artist is for everybody, it's never too late to get involved, to grab your pen, to paint. Okay. The next one we like to have the Kim Xie.
处长、吴主任，各位来宾，谢谢您的光临。我是朱主管，我的作品是水彩跟书法，就在后面。今年的作品，还是有年年有余啊，年年有余啊，还有一些花卉、风景、人物。我今年很开心。有一幅画很特别，是画我自己，也这是我的写照。他很爱唱歌，我每天都是很开心的画画、写毛笔字，我希望今天大家看得更开心，谢谢。
One of her goal is to combine the painting, the artwork, and with the calligraphy. So she really improved a lot in the last year. Next one, we like to have Min Mei.
First of all, thank you everybody for coming to this exhibition. And then this is the wonderful month for everybody get together. So we choose this month for that show. And as usual, I paint like landscape and then the market. But this year I'm more focused on the Chicago. So I have prepared some Chicago downtown pictures that I took and then I enjoyed. Try to do something different as before I did. So hopefully everybody will enjoy and like it. Thank you.
Min Mei, she is a full-time engineer in the Silicon Valley, and so the rest of the time she picked up her pen and to finish lots of wonderful artwork, and especially the doggy, the Fifi over there, it surprised me because even I can recognize it. She said, I told her, hey, congratulations, you had a lovely dog. And she said, that's not my dog. And turned around, she said, it's right there. It's okay. That's the Heron Rice, the son's dog. So it's amazing. And the dog has been with us for several years, but I'm glad that he's still here today. Yeah. So next one, we'd like to have Dr. Jiang.
Hi, good morning, everybody. And first of all, thank you for coming on the weekends. Photography has been my passion since childhood. Well, I guess by definition, anything below 18 is child. So anyhow, after I retired, photography became my main job. That is my profession in a way. So in that sense, I'm a professional photographer. Professional. Travel and nature, wildlife remains my focus. You can see I travel widely, spend time with nature, and get up inspiration, catch the right moment. And I hope what I photographed be an inspirational to you as well. Please enjoy the day, and I hope enjoy my photography. Thank you.
After our opening, we visited, enjoy her photography. Then he really, introduced us around the world. So you can see up from his painting, and actually his wife also joined with him all the time. So it's the two people's great artwork. Yeah. And we still have the Mr. Wang missing, but he will be here in a minute. Before that, I would like to invite our Consul General to say a few words for us. So.
Well, thank you, John, for your introduction. And I do have the honor to join our good friends here for the wonderful exhibition sponsored by Love Taiwan Association. And as one of you, I come here to admire all the great work you are now demonstrating here. Really appreciate it, because I think in everybody's mind is either a small part of it or the larger part of it. We have the keen eyes of art, either appreciate it or create it. So I like to do some photography myself, do some calligraphy myself. But I could only tell you and share with you that I'm not that dedicated for a long time work, especially putting a lot of time other than my own work, my own job, to do work as you do here. And I do have a son who is an artist himself, so I realize that how long and how much you have to put the effort in creating so many pieces of wonderful work. So what I can share with you is that art in everybody's mind magnified as much as possible. So I really appreciate the time and effort you've been dedicating so much as a lifelong interest or as a profession after your retirement. So I think everybody would like to join me, and I like to join you to share all, to appreciate all the work here. Especially, I'd like to say, after 12 years of wonderful exhibition as previous years, in the future, I really like to see that Love of Taiwan Association, every year we could see the same type of exhibition continue to carry on and to grow. And next year, I cannot say 100% for now, but I'm pretty sure that next year we may be able to offer you a better facility, with the new opening of the culture center. So we will anticipate that next year's exhibition will be at a new location. So really, I wish you success for this year's exhibition. Thank you.
As I mentioned earlier, that we've been here for 12 years, and every year we use this facility, and really appreciate all the past directors. And now we would like to invite our director to say as well.
恭喜我们的艺术家，谢谢你们把这么美丽的台湾艺术带到文教中心来，谢谢，感恩，谢谢。
Okay. Right now, I would like to invite a few of the community leaders. I think Mr. Lai, all the way from Sacramento.
Wow.
We'd like to have him. He actually is a commissioner, so let's let him say a few words for us.
今日呢，受邀请来参观这个咱为台湾来四大艺术家，大家包括画家，也包括摄影家啥物款吼。啊，这个名真久都捌听过啦吼，但是捌来看。今仔日第一位专程为什么要来看？我预是要对这位也都摄影家。我先生，我啥名？刚先，我希望你的大名吼，蒋医师，我差不多2-3年前就看到你的作品哦，哇，你的像在边安怎翕出来？我就想讲来今仔要来拜师学艺啦。啊，其他呢？其他画在像这徐丽芬女士啊，我真早一定真甲讲笑无话，做去徐丽莹吼，我就感觉到啦，心情足愉快吼。一头到尾也无恁场诶。所以I'm thankful that those artists, 6 artists come here to show us their masterpiece. So I'm glad to attend it and see how big and how great they are. Thank you very much.